Hello Advika, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay, where do you study Advika?
I study in Manas International Play School.
Okay, great. So, have you studied about uncountable nouns? Do you know what is uncountable noun?
Yes, sir, I know about uncountable nouns.
What is it?
Noun, uncountable nouns are which we cannot count.
Okay, nouns that cannot be counted.
Yeah.
Can you give me some examples?
Yes, sir. Water, wine, coffee, milk, juice, biscuits, etc.
Okay, great. So, did you know that since we cannot count uncountable nouns, there must be certain words that are used to measure those nouns, right?
Yeah.
Uncountable nouns. Now, say if I want to measure water, what is the term that I will use?
We will use a glass of water.
Okay.
For wine, we can use bottle. For coffee, we can use cup.
Okay, great.
For milk,
Yes,
we
you are
can use
correct.
a jug.
Okay, you are correct. Okay, so what we will do is we will discuss these quantity words. These are called quantity words or measuring words for uncountable nouns. So we will quickly go through it. If there is water, we can say a glass of water, right? Please bring me a glass of water. We cannot say please bring me one water. Can we say that? We cannot say that. Okay. Similarly, if someone talks about wine, they say a bottle of wine. So that is, a bottle is a measuring word for uncountable noun, which is wine. Similarly, for coffee, we can say a cup of coffee. For milk, we can say a jug of milk. For juice, we can say a carton of juice. Do you know what is a carton of juice? Do you know what is a carton of juice?
Yes, sir.
Have you seen a carton? If you have not seen, I can show it to you. You want to see?
I couldn't see.
I have not seen.
I have not seen.
Okay, then for everyone, for all our students, for all our viewers, let us show them what is a carton of juice. Okay, let's go to Google. A carton of juice. A carton of juice. Okay, so we'll search a carton of juice.
There is written.
Yes, so a carton of juice. Can you see this? This is a carton of juice. I hope you have already seen this kind of juice packets, right?
Yeah, I have seen it.
Very good. So this is a carton of juice. I hope everyone has understood what it means. Let's go to the next one. A packet of biscuits. I hope all of you know what is a packet of biscuits.
Yeah.
If it is cereal, do you know what is cereal? Do you eat cornflakes or chocos? These are all cereals.
I have eaten
Do you want
cornflakes.
to see what is a box of cereal? Let us check out what is a box of cereal. Let's go to image search and let's search what is a packet of cereal.
Packet of cereal.
A packet of cereal.
We can also say a cube of sugar.
Okay, so here it is, a packet of cereal. Is it clear now? These are all different packets of cereals, isn't it? We eat them. We eat these cereals, right? So for uncountable noun cereal, the measuring word we will use is a box of cereals. Okay, so it will be a box of cereals. A can of beans. You know what is beans? Like rajma. These are beans, right? So, and it is packed in a can. So you can say a can of bees. Do you want to see what is can of bees? Let us search a can of bees. A can of beans. So this is a can of beans. Can you see this? Have you understood what is a can of beans?
Sir.
Yes. Yes. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's go to the next one. A piece of cake. A slice of pizza. You know what is a slice of pizza, right?
Yeah.
A part of a pizza. The pizza is round in shape, and if you cut a part of that pizza, it is called a slice of pizza. A tub of ice cream. Have you seen a tub of ice cream?
Yeah.
Okay, good. But for our viewers, let us show them what is a tub of ice cream. Okay, a tub of ice cream. Let us search a tub of ice cream. Wow, this is a tub of ice cream. Would you like to have some? Of course.
Of course, but
But what?
we can't eat because I am very cool.
Okay, let's go to the
Cannot
next
eat.
one. A jar of honey. So if you put honey in a jar, you can measure it in terms of a jar. Okay, so honey, you cannot count it, one honey or two honey, but you can say a jar of honey. Have you seen a jar of honey?
Yeah. My
Okay, good. Let's go to the next list. This list shows some common measure words like a bar of or a piece of that we can use to measure uncountable nouns. Now, let's check them out. Can you read the first one, Advika?
Yeah, a bag of flour, or we can say rice or gold dust.
So, we can say a bag of flour, or we can say a bag of rice, or we can say a bag of gold dust. Next one.
A bar of chocolate, also gold, and soap.
Correct. So, you can say a bar of chocolate, or a bar of gold, or a bar of soap. So, can you read the next one, the third one?
Yeah, a bottle of Coke, also milk, water, and wine.
Very good. Next one.
A bowl of cereal, also rice and soap.
Soup.
Soup.
Very good. Next one.
A box of cereal or paper.
Good. Next.
A can of cream or meat and tuna.
Tuna. You know what is tuna? Tuna is a kind of fish. Okay, read the next one.
A carton of ice cream or orange juice
Or
and
milk.
milk.
Good. The next one is a cup of hot chocolate or a cup of hot coffee or a cup of hot tea. Next. Can you read?
A drop of blood or oil and water.
Okay, it can be a drop of blood or it can be a drop of oil or it can be a drop of water. Next one is a glass of beer, a glass of juice, a glass of water or a glass of wine. Can you read the next one?
Yeah, a grain of rice or sand and truth.
Yes. Next one is an item of clothing or an item of expenditure or an item of news.
Sir, I don't know what is expenditure.
Expenditure means kharcha. Your expense, expenditure. Okay. Next, a jar of honey or a jar of jam or a jar of peanut butter. Then, a piece of advice or a piece of furniture or a piece of paper.
Sir, what is advice?
Advice is when someone tells you something to do something, when they advise you, when they give you instructions, when they tell you about something. Let's check the meaning of advice. What is the meaning of advice? Let's go to Google again and we will search what is the meaning of advice. Advice. Okay, so advice means guidance or recommendation offered with regard to prudent future action, a formal notice of a financial transaction. So the first one is what we are looking for, right? Guidance or recommendation. My advice is to see your doctor. Okay, so it is a recommendation. Advice means recommendation. Okay, let's go to the next one.
A roll of paper or tap
Tape. It's a
Tape?
roll of tape or toilet paper.
or scotch tape.
Or scotch tape. A slice of bread, cheese,
Cheese or
meat
meat
or
or-
toast.
Or we can say a slice of piece.
Peas. No.
A slice of
Pizza.
Pizza?
Yes, you can say a slice of pizza. A spoonful of sugar, a spoonful of syrup, or a spoonful of whiskey.
What is whiskey?
Whiskey is also a kind of drink. It is an alcoholic drink. Let's go to the next one. A tablespoon of butter, or a tablespoon of honey, or a tablespoon of ketchup. Next one is a teaspoon of cinnamon, or a teaspoon of medicine, or a teaspoon of salt.
What
And the
is
final
cinnamon?
one, I will show you what is a cinnamon. Let's read the next one. A tube of glue, or a tube of lipstick, or a tube of toothpaste. Now let's see what is cinnamon. Yes, let's look up cinnamon. Cinnamon is a spice. Can you see this? It's a spice obtained from the inner bark of several tree species. Okay, so it's a kind of a spice. Cinnamon is a spice. It is an aromatic spice made from the peeled, dried and rolled bark of a Southeast Asian tree. The tree which yields cinnamon is called cinnamon. Have you understood?
Yeah.
Great. So we have completed this assignment which was given to the students to be completed on the 2nd and 3rd of May 2020. Thank you so much for your time, Advika.